Welcome to Sweat and Cheers. You're here and you're looking to see how you can do better about your life. Sweat, you will get the sweat in when you exercise. Cheers, we are cheering you on because we are glad for what you're doing for your life. Right now, I'm going to share a way that I prepare my chicken. I'm going to bake some chicken. So in the pot is 6 pieces of chicken. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of salt, not too much. And I will put some garlic in there. This is garlic powder. So we're going to sprinkle lots of that on there. I love garlic, and once I put all of these seasonings on here, what I'm going to do is just stir them around and mix it up, make sure they're coated all over. So this garlic is what we use, and this right here is oregano. It's ground oregano, so I'm putting a little bit of that on there. And I get these spices that you see in these little containers here from the farmer's market. This right here is cilantro. So I'm going to put some of that on this chicken. Yes, a little cilantro. And I have some curry powder. This is not necessarily curry chicken, but I like to flavor some of my food with the curry powder. So we're putting that on there. And the next thing that we have is rosemary. So we're going to put some rosemary on here and just sprinkle it around, and then some black pepper. But I like the flavor of black pepper, so I'm just going to put some black pepper on here. Yes. Sometimes I put just a little bit of cayenne pepper, but today I'm not going to do that. So we put that on there. I'm going to stir the chicken around, make sure it's coated all over. And you know, a lot of times you see me using my hands, and I believe when you put your hands to the food and make the food feel the love that you're putting into it. Yeah, some people think I'm a little silly, which I am, but yeah, we're stirring it around, and this meat is going to feel my love. And then when the people eat the food, yeah, there'll be some family members sharing my food that I will be making today. So today we're doing the chicken, making sure it's well coated. So I'm just taking my time and making sure that the flavors are going into all of this meat. And I've already set the oven. The oven is set for 350 degrees. And once I put it in the oven, it will cook for an hour. And that should, be enough to get it nice and done and tender, and the juices will be flowing out. And usually what I do for this type of pot, I put some olive oil in the bottom of the pan just to keep the chicken from sticking. So anyway, this is what I'm doing with this, and I believe that it's going to turn out just great. Yes, most of the food that I cook tastes pretty good, and my family enjoys it. I enjoy it, and I hope that you take some time and maybe do what I'm doing, get those spices together. Once again, I use black pepper. I have some garlic powder, or granulated garlic. This is rosemary. We have the curry powder. This is cilantro, and this one is oregano. So I put all of those spices on the chicken, and a little bit of salt. Not very much salt, just a smidgen of salt, if you will, just to kind of help it to, the salt helps to blend the flavors together. So once I do this, I'm going to put the top on. Again, I thank you for stopping by to watch what I'm doing, to see what I'm doing. These are the things that I eat to help to keep my body healthy and strong, and I hope that you're doing the best that you can for your own self as you exercise. Eat good food so that you will maximize what you're doing with your exercise. So go ahead and look at some of those videos I've shared. concerning the walking, just to do those 10 minutes per day, just to get started. And as you continue to progress, you will maybe do 20 minutes a day, then you'll end up doing 30 minutes a day, and you'll find yourself feeling better each and every day, sleeping well, and feeling good about yourself. So thank you once again for being here. God bless. Come back again to see us here at Yeah, Sweat, and Cheers. Yeah, you're here. Sweat when you do your exercise, and cheers. We're cheering you on to keep your program going.